Have you ever wondered how courier services are priced? It can seem like a mystery, but today, we're going to unravel it. You see, there's a science behind it, an art, even. It's a delicate balance of factors, each playing a crucial role in determining the final price tag on your courier service. These factors range from the obvious, like distance covered, to the more intricate, like freight types and special handling requirements. Understanding these factors is the key to pricing your services competitively while still maintaining profitability. It's a crucial aspect of running a successful courier transportation business. It's not just about charging what you think is fair, but understanding the value of your service and communicating that value to your customers. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of courier pricing. It's time to demystify the process and equip you with the knowledge you need to price your services effectively. The first factor that plays a significant role in courier pricing is mileage. Now, you may wonder why. Well, it's quite simple. More miles mean more fuel is consumed, more time is spent on the road, and more wear and tear on the vehicle. Each of these elements translates into additional costs. Think about it like this. If you're driving across town, your fuel costs are relatively low, the time spent is minimal, and the wear and tear on your vehicle is hardly noticeable. But if you're driving cross-country, well, that's a different story. Your fuel costs skyrocket, the time spent on the road increases dramatically, and the wear and tear on your vehicle becomes a significant concern. So it's clear to see that distance has a direct impact on courier pricing. And while we all love a road trip, in the courier business, longer distances mean higher prices. Remember, the further the distance, the higher the price. It's as simple as that. Next up, we have freight types and special handling. The kind of goods you're transporting plays a significant role in determining the price of your courier services. For instance, a fragile item, such as a porcelain vase, requires extra care and attention. This might involve special packaging or a dedicated delivery route to ensure its safe arrival. Similarly, a heavy item like a piece of furniture might need additional resources for handling, increasing the cost. Don't forget about hazardous materials either. These items often require specific training or licenses for safe transportation, adding another layer of complexity to your pricing model. Finally, consider the size and weight of the parcel. A larger or heavier parcel often means higher costs for transportation and handling. So while it might seem straightforward, setting your courier prices involves careful consideration of the type, size, and weight of the goods you're transporting along with any special handling they may require. So always consider the nature of the goods you're delivering when setting your prices. There are a few more factors that courier owners need to keep in mind. The speed of delivery can greatly influence pricing. Same-day delivery, for instance, is a premium service that customers are often willing to pay extra for. Overnight delivery, on the other hand, may be priced moderately, while standard delivery may be the most cost-effective option. Location difficulty is another significant consideration. Delivering to urban areas with their dense populations and traffic congestion can be more costly than rural deliveries. However, the longer distances and lower frequency of rural deliveries can also drive up costs. Additionally, extra services like tracking and insurance can add value to your offerings, but they also add to the cost. If you choose to offer these services, consider how much your customers are willing to pay for them. And there you have it. Now you know what goes into the price of courier services. Use this knowledge to your advantage when pricing your own services.